Myself 𝐒𝐜𝐢𝐞𝐳. I came from Ambakala. I studied in class 9. Today I am here to stand in front of you to demonstrate about some kind of criteria which is based upon the biological activities, and I can use to draft it in a one picture. So here I used to clear it that I used to make a plant cell or animal cell about all the criteria or basic characteristic what I made it. Here is a plant cell. First of all about plant cell. Plant cell is a type of that which provide a plastid lysosomes and which is made up of it. And there is some kind of criteria what I used to make. Here is a cell wall. First of all, it is made a covering of cell wall which is very important for plant cell. Without it, it is not used to make it. Second is a cell membrane. It is based upon the outer covering of the plant cell which is really work upon it. And third would be Golgi apparatus. The working of Golgi apparatus in animal cell or plant cell both is the same. It is used for the storage capacity, modification and transportation of the materials from one place to another place. It is a part of that Golgi apparatus. Fourth would be that food vacuum. Food vacuum is rarely seen on part of storage. Also, it is based upon the storage of some nutrients or materials which is going to its plant cell, and it is basically upon it to provide some kind of materials. Last would be a chloroplast. Chloroplast is a kind of that pigment which can use to provide a greenness and in a plant, which is very important, played a very vital role in a plant cell. Without this, we are not able to create a photosynthesis in, because with the chloroplast we can transfer all the energy of glucose or starch from it. So last would be rapidic crystal. Rapidic crystal it can use to work with a one pedal which is transfer all the materials into one to another. Third would be Dewey's crystal. Dewey's crystal can also like that one kind of chromosome which is based upon a Dewey's crystal which is transferring of the materials. Last of mitochondria. Mitochondria about it is a kind of powerhouse of cell which is based on so the energy currency of cell also, and it can releases chemical energy which is in the form of ATP. So it is rarely work on a plant cell or animal cell. Third would be cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a type of that which can use to make the transformation of the materials which is in a fluid form, and this is a type of ribosome. Ribosome, it is a material which which is not a part of DNA, but it can use for transformation of each materials. So here are some criteria of plant cell which is another in a form of also. I used to write their characteristic and some other kind of thing in a very clear manner. So it is all about the plant cell. Second would be data animal cell. Animal cell is all about this centrosome is present here and plastid or a ribosome is not present. Centrosome provides a cell division of animals which is really work upon it. And thirdly, that is smooth ER. In an animal cell, we know that about this endoplasmic reticulum which is made up of two, RER or SER. RER means made of some lipid or smooth kind of thing, or SER which made of some hardy rock materials which is made in an animal cell. Animal cell providing the second would be that mitochondria. It is also the same type of thing from both of them, that it provides energy currency to all the animal cell also. Third would be that vacuole. Vacuole is working for our storage and each and kind of materials to transformation of one to another into it, so it is a type of storage. And lastly would be that Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus can also work in an animal cell because it provides the storage or capacity of materials which passing through it. And ribosome is there which provide some other kind of SER lipids and synthesis of protein. Synthesis of protein can come in a ribosome which provide a protein to the animal cell. Or nucleolus. Nucleolus is a type of that covering which is made up of the nucleus or nuclear membrane. It is a type of half gap of it. Or nucleus. Nucleus is a type of that which provides the whole covering or master or brain of the cell of animal cell or plant cell. So nucleus is a main important criteria of that animal cell. Here I can use to write some characteristic of animal cell in a red or clear manner which provide some basic criteria of animal or plant cell. So all about animal cell or plant cell which provide a basic criteria or basic characteristic of each and everything. So here is a type of that kind of criteria what I used to show. Thank you.